Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the JBL T460BT on-ear Bluetooth headphones. These headphones come with Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can work with Android and iOS smartphone, and it offers battery life up to 11 hours. The lightweight and foldable design means you can actually mend it and fit it anywhere you want without any discomfort. So let's get started with the unboxing of these headphones. So as you can see, this is the T460BT box, and the square shaped box basically houses the headphones and the other accessories that you get along with the headphones. It supports Bluetooth connectivity that we've already talked about, and it lets you charge using the micro USB cable that's bundled inside the box. So now let's talk about the design. As you can see over here on the front, you can clearly see the way it looks, the ear cups, the shape, the dimensions and everything, and the way the ear cups are protruding. That basically means that it's quite flexible and you can fold it whichever way you want without any issues. So now let's look at the box inside, and but before that we also can talk about some of the features that JBL has highlighted in the box. It basically says that these headphones offer JBL pure bass sound. So pure bass sound is something that JBL is recognized for and it's known for, and its heavy bass is something that really attracts buyers, and the T460BT is no different, and it's going to offer you that same sound output that you get across all of its products in this price range. It offers battery life up to 11 hours, so that means you get 11 hours of battery life with a single charge. It's quite decent, and the built-in battery ensures that even while using it in the wireless mode, you can use it for long hours without any kind of issues or hunting for a power adapter or a power charger to charge it all over again. It's got these music controls on the ear cup. So let's say if you don't want to use the phone to control the music playback or anything, you have the controls over there on the headphones, which we'll talk about in a bit, and these are easy to control, and you can easily maneuver around and control the volume as well as different kind of tracks that you want to play. And finally, that we've already talked about is the lightweight and the foldable design. So these are quite lightweight, and this is something essential because when you're wearing on-ear headphones, you need to make sure that they're light in weight so that it doesn't become discomforting after a while, especially if you're wearing for long hours, and you can easily enjoy all kind of music experiences without any kind of issues. So now let's open the box and see what all JBL is offering with the T460. As you can see over here, it's quite tightly packed inside this case over here, and this is the black color box, and this is the black color variant of the T460 that we've got from JBL. As you can see, this has got this foldable design, so it easily folds and it fits into wherever you want. So let's say if you want to tuck it inside a bag, you just need to fold it like this, and it can easily fit in wherever you want. You can easily put it inside a case as well for extra safety. It's got these physical controls on the headphones, which we'll talk about in a bit, and it's got this power button as well. So the moment you press the power button for a few seconds, you'll probably hear a sound, which basically means that the headphones is ready for pairing, and you can start pairing it with your Android or iOS smartphone. It's got this design which is very familiar and it's very JBL like, and it's got this branding of JBL on the top as well, as you can see on the ear cups, and it's got this solid plastic headband which fits onto your ears. But the overall lightweight design means that you can wear it for long hours without any kind of discomfort, as we've already talked about. So this is what you get inside the box. Additionally, you also have a few other things that is quite basically something that you get inside the box with most of the earphones or headphones from the brand. You've got this user manual, you've got the user safety guide, and you've got the warranty card. Now these are essentials because the company is supposed to give you along with the product, and also to get you started. So let's say if you are new to the Bluetooth ecosystem and you haven't ever used a Bluetooth headphones, this is something which will come in handy. So what you just need to do is read through the user manual, and you'll understand how the headphones pair with your Android or iOS smartphone, what kind of settings you need to enable, and how to use the music playback controls. Along with that, you also have this black color USB micro USB cable that is used for charging. So you got the micro USB port on the headphones, and whenever you feel that the headphones is running out of battery, which basically will be an indication which will show you in terms of the volume level going down, so you just need to connect these cables, this part of the USB port, to a power adapter or a power bank to get charged, and you get up to 11 hours of battery life using those. So these are all what you get inside the box with the T460BT from JBL. So this is the design of the JBL T460BT Bluetooth headphones. These are on-ear design, which means they fit on the ear and they do not go inside like other Bluetooth headphones. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can pair it with Android and iOS smartphone, and it offers battery life of full 11 hours on a single charge, after which you can charge it using the micro USB cable bundled inside the box. Also the micro USB pointer to get on the headphones. The lightweight and the foldable design means that you can wear it for long hours and you will have no discomfort wearing them. And the cups are the cups get a good soft cushion, which means you can wear them with proper comfort, and the fitting is also quite good on your head. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.